Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can disable comments on your post on TikTok. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open up TikTok on your phone. Then you can see the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on profile and you can see the three lines on the top. Go ahead and tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. After that, what you need to do is tap on privacy and you can see the comments in the interaction section. Go ahead and tap on comments and you can see the option of allow comments from everyone. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and tap on no one. So nobody can comment on your post. So others can comment or on any of your current or future posts. So make sure that this is on or off according to your wish. So it's quite easy and helpful. If you want to turn off the comments on all of your posts, all you need to do is go to your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right hand side, go to settings and privacy and tap on privacy. After that, tap on comments. Then you can see the allow comments from. So select this to everyone, your friends or no one according to your wish. And this way you can enable or disable comments from your friends or followers on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.